The role of senior analyst is one step up from the reporting analyst. Somebody new will start as a reporting analyst and then take on the responsibilities of a senior analyst and beyond. Presenting just the raw data to business stakeholders generally does not work. You have to take all this data, put it in a nice report, which a reporting analyst does. In addition, you have to tell a story that connects all these data pieces and ties it to the business objective. For example, if your goal is to increase customer conversions, like how many people are going to buy on your site. In order to do so, you are advertising on different channels. And let's pick a channel, say Google. You're paying for advertising on Google. As you're looking through the data, you find out that for certain keywords, a lot of people are coming, you're paying a lot of money to Google, but those people are not buying anything from you. Now you look at all this and you say, we're trying to drive people to buy and we're spending money on Google, but what we are finding is for certain keywords, people are not buying. What do you do in that case? So the story here is these 5 keywords drive a lot of people to our site, but those people do not end up buying. By analyzing the site, we found out that these keywords are generally free, try now, but when they land on our site, they do not find these keywords on our site. So people are confused. As a result, they are not buying our products or they are not trying our products. In order to verify if our theory is correct, we are going to make some changes on our site, or we suggest making some changes to the site and testing them. And we'll cover the testing aspect in the next row. But that is what a senior analyst and beyond does. They take all this data, they look through it like a detective, find what's going on and what is tying all these and tell the story that the business can use to take some actions. That in a nutshell is what a senior analyst does. Now, just like a reporting analyst, they have to be familiar with tools like Google, Adobe, or other data collecting tools. And they also have to be familiar with data visualization tools. Their job is to work with the stakeholders, business stakeholders, to understand their business objective, define the right metrics that are going to measure those business objectives, and then take all this data that's collected by the reporting analyst, bring it together in a nice story that ties everything and tells the business to take specific actions.